Welcome everyone. In an earlier video, we talked about uploading images to your Canvas course. And once you've uploaded those images one time, they're stored in your Canvas course. So you no longer need to re-upload them if you're adding that image an additional time. So for example, if I have a graphic I'm going to use over and over, like a return to home button, I don't need to upload that multiple times. After I upload it the first time, it's already stored in my course. So let's take a look at how to access that. And we'll do that with a return to home button. You can see that I'm in a page right here. Any place you can access the rich content editor, you can complete this operation. So under the picture option right here, I'm going to select the down arrow and then I'm going to select course images. And once I've done that, this pop out will load. And notice that I can filter by a few different options. I can choose course files right here. I can choose images and I can choose date added or alphabetical. So let's go alphabetical, and I also can search right here. So let's just say in this particular course, I have a lot of images. So let's just say that I want to search and I'm going to type return, and there's the return to home button. And I'm going to add that button. And once I've done that, the button is added, and then I can resize it if needed. I can click on that and change it and do whatever I want to, but I can save that. And now that is saved. So I didn't need to upload it a second time. That button was already in my course. I just need to locate it, click on it, and then it's added to my resource. Hopefully that helps you add graphics that have previously been added into your course.